I welcome you all for this online teaching. In our video today, I'm going to teach you a new poem. A new poem, that is poem number 4. Okay, before we go into a poem, look at these pictures. Okay, children, once again, I welcome you all for this online teaching. Children, can you see this picture? Can you see these children? What they all are doing? Yes, of course, they are welcoming you all. What they all are having in their hand? Yes, welcome board made up of fruits. Can you see the fruits there? Can you see down 3 fruits? Yes, very good. Now see the next slide. Okay, see the next picture also. You can see there. What is this? It's dancing. Yes, it's an apple. Okay, it's an apple. I hope you all like apple, isn't it? Yes. Let's see the next fruit. Wow, what a beautiful fruit. This is so attractive. Okay, this is an guava. Okay, you may be thinking, why ma'am is showing all these fruits pictures, isn't it? Yes. Today, okay, see a few more fruits. Okay, what is this? A papaya and an orange. Isn't it? See how beautiful, yeah, we feel like eating. Children, yes. Today, the title of our poem is Don't Throw the Seeds Away. Poem number 4, Don't Throw the Seeds Away. Of course, we saw so many pictures, okay, of fruits. Can you see here? So attractive. Okay, what a beautiful God we have, isn't it? He has created such a beautiful fruits for us to eat and live healthy. Isn't it? See how colorful they all are. See here, you can see an apple, a mango, papaya, guava. Yeah. Children, now my question is, of course, we all eat fruits. After eating the fruits, what do we do with the seeds? Okay. After eating the fruits, what do we do with the seeds? Yes, we throw the seeds away. Isn't it? After eating the fruits, we throw the seeds away. But today, I'm going to teach a poem which says, don't throw the seeds away. Then what should we do with the seeds? Okay, what can we do with the seeds? Okay, now let us look into our poem, okay? Everybody take your English reader, turn to page number 38. Page number 38. Yes, now I'll read the poem for you. I want everybody to recite after me. I have a pencil. Okay, so you can underline the new words or the odd words for you and find the meanings for it. Okay, shall I read the poem? Yes, come. You also join with me and read along with me. Poem number 4, Don't Throw the Seeds Away. It makes you healthy. It gives you energy. An apple or a guava, an orange or a papaya. It makes you healthy. It gives you energy. An apple or a guava, an orange or a papaya. Have a fruit every day, but don't throw the seeds away. Here's a simple thing you can do. You could tell all your friends too. Plant the seed in the soil. It does not take much time or toil. Pour a little water in. A young shoot will soon appear. In time, it will become a big tree which gives so much to you and me. This way, there will be forest again, green and clean. Our earth will remain. Grow trees this easy way, and it's fun too, I say. But remember, don't throw the seeds away. Children, I hope you understood this poem. Okay, you read 2 or 3 times till you understand. Now, shall I explain this poem to you? Yes. See the first stanza. Okay, by seeing the title of this poem itself, we can understand it, isn't it? Okay. See the title of the poem. Don't throw the seeds away. Don't throw the seeds away. Okay, the first answer says, it makes you healthy, it gives you energy. An apple or a guava, an orange or a papaya. Have a fruit every day, but don't throw the seeds away. Children, it makes you healthy. In this poem here, it means what? It it means the fruits, okay? All the different types of fruits. If you eat more fruits, you will be very healthy. So it says, it makes you healthy, it gives you energy. An apple or a guava, it may be any fruit, okay children, it may be any fruit. An apple or a guava, an orange or a papaya. But have a fruit every day. We should eat a fruit every day. Okay, after eating the fruit, what can we do with the seeds? Here the poet is telling, but don't throw the seeds away. Okay, I'll read again. It makes you healthy, it gives you energy. An apple or a guava, an orange or a papaya. Have a fruit every day, but don't throw the seeds away. See this girl, how happy she is. Okay, she see what she's having in her hand. Yes, an apple. Okay, okay, children. So eat an apple every day, but don't throw the seeds away. Then what can we do with the seeds? Okay, see the next stanza. What can we do with the seeds? If you see the next slide, you can observe what can we do with the seeds. It says, yes, a simple thing you can do. Okay, with the seeds, what can you do? Yeah, see here. It's a simple thing you can do. You could tell all your friends too. Plant the seed in the soil. It does not take much time or toil. Pour a little water in. A young shoot will soon appear. Yes, my dear children, you don't throw the seeds away. Okay, the poet here is telling, okay, with the seeds, okay, you can share this with your friends also. Plant the seed in the soil. Plant the seed in the sense you take the seeds, go to your garden, okay, in your house you may have small gardens on the mud, okay, dig, okay, with the help of a stick or something, dig, okay, dig the soil, dig the mud and bury these seeds, okay, put the seeds inside and cover it again. Here is telling it doesn't take much time, okay, you will not take more time, or it doesn't make, or it doesn't toil, you cannot toil, okay, means toil here means hard work, it doesn't need hard work, okay, simply dig a small hole, put the seeds and cover it, okay, then pour a little water in, day by day pour little water each day, okay, what will happen if you pour little water, what will happen? A young shoot, a small baby plant will soon appear. A young shoot will soon appear. Okay, children, did you understand? See the next picture here. Okay, see the next picture here. See here. See these children? Yes, they have gone to their garden, they have planted a seed, and now a small shoot has come up. See, they're watering. Okay, if you do also, it will be very interesting. Okay, what will happen if you put a seed? Okay, in time it will become a big tree. Now you all are small children. As you grow, even the small plant will grow into a big tree, which gives so much to you and me. You know what trees gives, okay? First they give us good oxygen, okay, free air, a clean air. Then it gives us shade, it gives us fruits. Isn't it? Trees are very, very useful to us. So it gives so much to you and me. This way, there will be forests again. Children, if each child plant or bury seeds here, okay, as days goes, it will become to a big forest. So there will be forest again. Green and clean, our earth will remain. Yes, our mother earth will become very green and clean. So, children, what you have to do? So, grow trees this easy way. This is one of the method to grow more plants and trees. Okay, it's fun too, I say. So, have a fruit every day. So, to be healthy, eat a fruit every day. But children, remember, don't throw the seeds away. Don't throw the seeds away. This poem is written by whom? Okay, see the poet Parmita Kher. Okay, she has written very beautifully. Okay, of course, see the benefits of fruits. Okay, we eat every time we do that, isn't we? We eat only the fruits and just throw the seeds in the dustbins, or we just throw it away. But children, by learning this poem, I think we would have understood that we should not just throw it away. Instead, we have to plant it. Okay, we have to bury in the soil, and as days goes, that will grow. It a small baby plant will come, and later it will become a big tree, which gives us so much like fruit, shade. Because of trees, plants, we get rain, we get pure, clean air, isn't it? So kindly follow this. I hope you enjoyed this poem. Children, now I want everybody to read this poem 1 or 2 times. Okay, 1 or 2 times. See the beautiful pictures here. Okay, and underline and learn the hard words. In our next Zoom class, we'll have dictation. Okay, we'll have dictation test. Before that, I want everybody to take an A4 size paper. This is your assignment. Okay, draw your favorite fruit. Okay, draw your favorite fruit and write 10 points about that fruit. Okay, write 10 points about that fruit. Till then, okay, be safe, eat a fruit every day, but remember, don't throw the seeds away. Okay, enjoy your day, be safe and be happy. Thank you.